How to make money online. On this page you will find all the best ways to make money in your spare time while at university based on your own experiences. We'll keep adding new ways to this page, so go ahead and bookmark it, and please do share your own ideas in the comments. No risk method. Hands down the quickest way to make a lot of money well without breaking the law. Lots of students have genuinely made 100 from this technique. It's completely legal, risk-free, tax-free, and anyone over 18 in the UK can do it. Not in UK. Skip to number 2. It's work by taking advantage of free bets regularly offered by betting sites through matching them at a betting exchange. Match betting eliminates the risk you are betting both for and against a certain outcome. This leaves you being able to squeeze out the free bet, which can be as much as $100. Multiply this by how many betting sites there are, and you can quite easily come away from with a profit of a few hundred pounds. Owens walk you through how to make your first 13 profit using a real life example in this gem of a guide to match betting. If you know of any better way to make 40 hours sitting at home, please let us know. Online service. An increasingly popular way for students to make money is to fill out online surveys in their spare time. Research companies are always recruiting new members worldwide to answer surveys and test new products. For a few minutes of form filling, you can make a couple of quid, which is paid as cash or reward. You can back up 3 to 5 for some service. Paid for searching the web. Interesting in earning cash for doing what you already do online. This has to be one of the easiest methods of making money online without really any effort of change in your behavior. This innovative idea by Kami.com reward you for searching in Google, Bing, Yahoo, Amazon, and eBay. You just install a simple ad onto YouTube browser, and when you conduct a search, there may be a few sponsored results alongside your normal search. Each commit result has a cash reward attached. If you are interested in it, simply click on it and collect your reward. The best thing is there is no minimum to cash out. Our first one was just 75p wired to our PayPal account. You also have the option to donate it to charity. Online market trading. Risk this is not necessarily an easy way to make money. Investing in stock markets can be lucrative if you learn to do it properly and safely. By the same token, you may suffer significant losses if you don't take it seriously. Today, there is no need to fund the gates of Wolf of Wall Street style stock brokers. You can do it all yourself with the help of online market trading platforms. Having spent many hours researching this new opportunity, I've been experimenting with the popular platform. eToro has over 12 million users worldwide and offers free practice account. It has been featured in the BBC Two documentary Traders Millions by the Minutes and sponsors several Premier League football clubs. One of the best things on eToro is the copy trader feature. This let you literally see, follow, and copy the investment of other top performing traders. Follow your complete guide to trading on eToro to learn more. I think $200 is a good amount to get this most out of the learning curve by trying out a few different markets. If nothing else, you will learn a great deal about various investment and industries. Please be aware from the all trading involves risk. Start your own website. Interested in generating passive income? You need a website. It's the way to make money while you sleep. Starting a website with Blueshoot takes less than 20 minutes, costs hardly anything, and can be done by an 82 years old. It only takes a bit of plugging on social media to get your first visitor, and there are plenty of ways to monetize your site. Save the Student is just one example of successful website started at university by Owen Brock in his first year, which has since grown into a full-time and sizable enterprise. Reviews, websites, and apps for cash. Well, it seems like you're pretty nifty with a web browser, so perhaps it's time to turn pro and browse websites as a paid and fun job. Introducing usertesting.com, a new platform that pays everyday people to review all kind of websites. Each review takes around 20 minutes and bags you $10 via PayPal. Simply sign up here, complete a test review, and look forward to receiving websites in your inbox. The Disney Vault Secret. To keep demand high across generations, Disney Studios carefully restrict display of some home release classics. They are looked away in wallet for 8 to 10 years before being released for a short unspecified time. Buy them in this window at normal retail price and you can turn a nice profit when they go on sale for another decades or so. For example, in 2011, you could buy Beauty and the Beast and Blu-ray 3D for just $24.99. In just a couple of years, it was at Amazon for a startling $74. Importantly, not all Disney releases are subject to all the pilot and only the true classics will maintain such demands. Similar to making money from online surveys, GPT sites reward you in cash and voucher for completing various offers to activate online. Become a delivery rider or driver. Got a bicycle, motorbike, or car? What about a smartphone? That's all you need to take some extra money by delivering food or people whenever you got some spare time. Sign up to delivery specialist companies like Deliveroo, who are always on the hunt for new riders. They allow your total flexibility to work when you want, delivering food from restaurants to customer door. You can make up to 16 and on. Double up your opportunities by directly contacting local takeaways and bigger chains like Domino's to see if they have any daily job lobby. Write and publish a Kindle ebook. If students are good at anything, it's researching and writing. With the Kindle store, anyone can publish an ebook and make money on Amazon. And the Kindle app is now available on almost any device, laptops, iPads, smartphones, and yes, kindness. So your global market is huge. The key to success with ebook is to create value and write non-fiction, simply bundling information you have researched and compiled on a common problem, e.g. secrets to finding a job, and then representing it in an easy to digest format. An ebook justifies someone spending a few quid on it.